So, in this video, we're going to do a quick little overview of another project that I picked up. I had a motorcycle a number of years ago, but didn't ride it much, and my car projects were taking most of my money due to where my money was coming from. So, I'm finally at a point that I was able to throw a few $100 at a motorcycle and hopefully get it done probably over this summer and fall, maybe winter. But either way, let's show you to it and just go over what I know it needs and what my plans are and all that fun jazz. So let's get going. And here it is, 1987 Yamaha 454 Limited, I think. I can't remember what the title said, but you get the gist. So my overall plan is kind of bobber it out. And by that I mean new seat, something comfy-ish like this, but maybe a little smaller. And then just that gone, this gone, that gone. You know, just the seat. Paint this. Not sure on the color yet, but I have an idea. The previous owner put these little cafe handlebars on it. I do plan on replacing that. They gave me the original handlebars with it. So I might just swap these out and put the originals back on, because it looks like they'd have the grips in about here. Let me get an actual focus. So, yeah, that would be preferred. Also, what I have learned since I've gotten it, it starts every time, so that's good. But it's got what appears to be probably like a lifter tick or something. Let's fire it up real quick. Fire it up. 36,000 miles, so it's been around. But let's fire it up just to show. It doesn't idle the best, and it's probably going to die here in a second. Yep, so we'll just turn it off at that point. So, what I've learned, well, actually, let's fire it back up one more time so you can hear the valve tick. Whoops. Let's bump the choke up just a little bit. Not sure if you'll hear it on the video, but I hear like a ticking somewhere around here. Right here. Anyway, I'll turn that volume down. But yeah, and also what you could tell from that is that the idles started going up while we were crouched down here. So I think both carburetors need to be rebuilt, as I have to lower my volume now on my voice. But anyway, so I think the carburetors need rebuilt, because you can set the choke and it will sit there and fluctuate. It also doesn't appear to want to rev up much past 4,000 RPM. So with this bike, I'll be showing all the work I do. Have it be the painting, the seats, the removing of stuff, doing tail lights, figuring out what the clatter is in the head, rebuilding the carb, all that fun stuff. If I get ambitious, I might even do exhaust, but who knows. Not sure if I'll keep the chrome on, things like that. Then also have this kickstand. As you can tell with the bungee wires, they piss something off. I was looking at it before and it seems like this bolt here, or the metal surrounding it got bent. So it seems a little sketchy getting it to set up. So I'm probably going to eventually put this on a stand, take the kickstand part off, and just try to straighten shit out, bolt it up, and hopefully that will be everything for it. Oh, I just noticed this nice little crack, missing plastic, whatever. But overall, the bike appears to be in good shape. I mean, really, I paid $600 for it. So, could have probably got it for less, but I am not much for haggling. They had it priced at $675. I talked them down to $600. Ooh, that's such a big drop. But overall, I'm kind of excited for this. During the transition, I'll probably be focusing more on getting the rideability resolved. So rebuild carbs first, and then poke around the head. So then I can start riding it around the neighborhood, getting comfortable with it. But during that time, I'll then slowly start working on more of the cosmetic and making it what I want. So yeah, it's just a motorcycle. Nothing too special, just another project. Figure I'd give an introduction to this while I'm still fighting one of my other projects. So yeah. So with that, yeah, that's it for this video. I'm hoping to learn a lot from the motorcycle, but motorcycles are a little simpler, so I'm guessing there won't be as much work compared to some of my cars. But I'm hoping, it'll be useful, or someone might find it entertaining, I don't know. But we'll figure that out as I go. But these are projects for me, so I'm just hoping that the projects I do appeal to some people. So, have fun. Bye-bye.